Hello everyone, welcome to the Fix to Error channel. In this video, we will talk about solutions for friends who encounter the CapCut Couldn't Upgrade error. Users who want to update the CapCut application encounter the Couldn't Upgrade error and cannot perform the update request. This is usually observed in users who have internet problems. In addition, the CapCut application not running with administrative privileges may also cause you to encounter such an error. The cache problem in the CapCut application will cause you to encounter various errors like this. Therefore, we can eliminate the problem by reconfiguring the cache files. Completely close the CapCut application by running the task manager. Then you can run the CapCut application again and check if the problem persists. Some functions may not be allowed to run if the CapCut application does not run with administrative privileges. First of all, if the CapCut application is open, close it with the help of the task manager. Then right-click on CapCut application and run as administrator and check if the problem persists. We can avoid connection request problems by using the default Google DNS server. Type Control Panel in the Start Search screen and open it. Click on the Network and Internet category title. Then click on the Network and Sharing Center heading. Then define the DNS address by following the steps I showed in the video. After this process, type CMD in the Start Search screen and run it as an administrator. Paste the codes in the article in the command prompt window that opens and press Enter. After the process is complete, you can restart the computer and check if the problem persists. Damage or corruption in the installed CapCut folder may cause you to encounter various errors like this. Therefore, you need to completely uninstall and reinstall the CapCut application. First of all, if the CapCut application is running, close it with the help of the task manager. Then type Run in the Startup Search screen and open it. Copy and paste the file path found in the article on the search screen and open it. Delete the CapCut folder on the screen that opens. After deleting the folder, access the official CapCut website and download and install the installation file. Yes, in this video we have provided information on how to fix CapCut Couldn't Upgrade error. If the problem persists, you can comment,